Hi guys, greetings. I'm Sarah, representing the business development team at BNB Chain. Welcome all. I wanted to extend my gratitude for your presence at today's opening ceremony for BNB Chain Q2 Hackathon. So to commence our event, I wanted to invite our honored Hackathon sponsors this time to provide a brief introduction about themselves, their projects, as well as to elaborate more on the visions behind these hackathons first. So every sponsor has 2 minutes. Let's start with Anthony, who is VP of Product from Polyhedra first.
Thank you, everyone, and thank you, Sarah, for the introduction. It's a great pleasure to be back here again since we're the annual sponsor. So we'll see us every 3 months for this opening ceremony. So here we are. We're from Polyhedra Network. What we do is we do the infrastructure for interoperability and scalability based on zero-knowledge proofs. So what we are offering this wonderful season is that, well, since Bitcoin, the Bitcoin halving is coming right away, and Bitcoin is a hot topic in the market. So what we are providing for our developers this time is an Bitcoin Oracle built on BNB Chain Ecosystem, where developers are able to retrieve the status of Bitcoin from BNB Chain. Well, since it's a hackathon, it's currently deployed on BNB Chain testnet. So you can actually do cross-chain DHax using Bitcoin information right away on BNB Chain. Basically, we developed a light client, a Bitcoin Oracle on BNB Chain testnet, where you can call, you can use that to develop wonderful apps for interoperability between BNB Chain testnet and currently Bitcoin testnet 3. So, well, welcome everyone, and we'll enjoy this hackathon.
Thank you very much, Anthony. The message between Bitcoin as well as BNB Chain can be something really interesting and exciting. We're looking forward to seeing more applications to apply for that track that you guys have under this hackathon. Next one, let's welcome co-founder of Sina. Can you please intro a bit about yourself in Sina, as well as the vision behind this hackathon?
Hey everyone, and thanks for coming here, and thank you, Sarah, for the introduction. So I'm Apollo, CMO and co-founder of Thena, which is a leading community-driven DEX on BNB Chain, serving more than 30 projects with their liquidity needs. We offer both spot and perpetual trading with some of the widest asset selection in the industry. And what's special about Thena is that you can actually vote for different liquidity pools and earn these blue chip assets like Bitcoin and BNB on a weekly basis. And you can also participate in our liquidity pools by staking in them to earn Thena tokens. And welcome everyone here today. Our hackathon is actually about Thena Arena, our upcoming social hub. And we are trying to invite developers to develop a comprehensive point system, and we have some quite attractive prizes and also grants on top of that for the best ideas. Thanks for coming here today.
Thank you, Apollo, and thank you, Sina teams, for your always support to BNB chains. And point systems or marketplace can be a really interesting thing. Regarding the points tradings or airdrop event recently is quite popular. So we're looking forward to see that as well. Next one, we welcome Michael from Sonoros, which is a decentralized musical voting platforms. Michael, please.
Hi, everyone. This is Michael, the CEO of Sonoros. Just very quickly about Sonoros, we are a AI-powered decentralized music production and publishing protocol where we allow users to easily use our AI tools to generate music in their favor and then publish that seamlessly on the blockchain. So in this season of Hackathon, we continue to explore the idea of content creativity in the age of decentralization and in the age of AI. As we all have seen, the rapid development of generative AI has been changing the landscape of the content industry. not just music, but goes way beyond to videos, movies, novels, etc., etc. So in this season of challenge, we invite the innovators to submit product proposals and or business ideas to create a new kind of organizations in the age of AI using blockchain technology, and with the aim in mind to inspire creativity of ordinary content creators and to protect their intellectual properties as well. So welcome again, everyone, and hope you enjoyed.
Thank you, Michael. Next one, JQ, co-contributor of Baby Dodge.
Good morning, good evening, everyone. I'm GQ. I represent the vibrant Baby Doge community, and I'm thrilled to first participate on this. We're thrilled to participate on this BNB Chain Hackathon. We're very excited about what we can do together. We're one of the largest meme tokens on BNB Chain, and we have a very vibrant product offer, including a decentralized exchange, our AI image generator, NFT minters, and many, many other projects that I encourage everyone to look at. And we're here with a unique challenge. It's all about making an impact, and we're inviting developers to dive deep into the world of Baby Doge and inspire you to build innovative applications, whether games or any smart contracts or any groundbreaking products that will boost the utility of Baby Doge coin and ramp up on-chain activities with BNB Chain. I'm very excited about this. I want to thank the team at the team at BNB Chain, and also all the participants here and all the sponsors for making this possible.
Thank you, JQ. By the way, I really love your avatar. Really cute.
Thank you. It's from one of our partners that was going to be here, Hollow World.
Yeah. Okay. That's so cute. And also, by the way, we have launched a meme coin meme port campaign. You can check the details about that campaign in our Twitters. So if you're a project or a KOL that is interested in building your own meme on BNB Chain, feel free to check details about that campaigns. And then welcome Claire from Dora Factory. Claire.
Hey, hello everyone. This is Claire from Dora Factory and DHax. So as DHax, we are also supporting this hackathon as a global hackathon platform. As you may know, we are now one of the largest global hackathon platform supporting all of the major blockchains to host their hackathons. And as the infrastructure builder behind DHax, which is Dora Factory, we build decentralized governance protocols to support every ecosystem to implement innovative governance mechanisms such as quantitative funding, MACI, and non-MACI, so on and so forth. And we're excited to support this BNB Chain Hackathon series as an annual sponsor and a long-term friend of BNB Chain to support your hackathons. Yeah, thanks so much for inviting us here.
Thank you, Claire. Dora has been, as you mentioned, a long-term friend for us, especially regarding the BNB Chain hackathons. You guys doing a lot. Thank you. Thank you all for the guests, the honored sponsors for hackathon this round. So next, I will share introductions about BNB Chain first to the listeners and to let them know what is BNB Chain, what we have done, and what is our plan. And also after that, I will share, I will go through the main challenge tracks during our hackathons this round. Okay, so what is BNB Chain? Firstly, we wanted to elaborate more on our missions and visions. So we at BNB Chain is to provide a permissionless infrastructure that is open and scalable for everyone to build in on top of. And our vision is to onboard the next billion of Web3 users. So by doing that, there is a really important concept that is calling One BNB, I must elaborate here. What is One BNB? One BNB is a concept that is combining with three important tech stacks, which is BNB Smart Chain, opBNB, as well as BNB Greenfield. By combining those three important different stacks, we can meet our decentralized computing or storage demands in one holistic solutions. So by having the concept of One BNB, we are offering a one-stop solutions for any kind of dApps, infras, or ideas to get them happens on BNB Chain ecosystems. So here you can see that on the top, which is BNB Smart Chain, is a EVM compatible chains at the layer 1 settlement on the consensus layer in our BNB Chain ecosystems. And we have OBBNB, which is a roll up layer 2 building on top of BNB Smart Chain, which we will also merge ZK solutions on opBNB in the futures. And besides that, we have BNB Greenfield, which is a decentralized data storage network that is having embedded cross-chain bridges between BNB Smart Chain as well as opBNB. So by having those bridges, it enables the data on BNB Greenfield a programmability abilities by having smart contract to manage the data on BNB Greenfield through BSC as well as opBNB. Under these three important tech stack, we have a DAO calling Avenger DAO, which is a unit ecosystem partners to protect BNB chain users. So there are a bunch of security auditing firm that is in that DAO to offer security or risking services analysis to BNB chain users. So to dive into details about those three important tech stacks, let's start from BNB Smart Chain first. So this is a layer 1 with the second largest chain, and also this is the second largest chain by DAU. For now, the BNB BNB Smart Chain has over 1 million DAU, and it offers around 5K TPS. And also it offers the lowest gas fee among all other EVM compatible layer 1s. The cost is around 0.03 per transactions. So we think BNB Smart Chain is kind of a DeFi hub. So we encourage any projects or any developer that is going to or you wanted to issue their own assets to choose BNB Smart Chain as a layer to do it. And also we are going to sunset Bacon Chain, which is previously governance chains of BNB Chain, and then all the governance will be migrating to BNB Smart Chain in the futures. By doing so, we will expecting more staking or restaking around BNB tokens happen in BNB Smart Chain later this year. That is BNB Smart Chain. And also for opBNB, which is a layer 2 building on top of BSC, we think opBNB is an ideal layer for dApps that is requiring high transaction frequencies, like, for example, fully on-chain game or decentralized social or AI dApps. The DAU on opBNB right now is also over 1 million, and the gas fee or the transaction cost is lower to $0.001 per transactions. And we do have the plan to lower it down more later this year. The TPS right now on opBNB is 5K to 10K. So it's a really suitable layer for any kind of high frequency dApps. And also we are starting a ROS initiative recently, which is encouraging or allow large-scale dApps that is building on BNB Chain to launch its own customized layer 2s on BNB Smart Chain to further foster development and innovations. So I think some of us can already notice that some of the really interesting GameFi projects have already announced their own layer 2 that is building on top of BSC recently. So that is OBBNB. And the final one is BNB Greenfield, which is a decentralized storage protocols. One thing I wanted to highlight here is Greenfield is more focusing on hot and valuable data instead of no-touch and cold data. Greenfield is a really important component of the One BNB paradigm, which offers a layers to enable data file or content file that is letting users create their own personal data marketplace layers. So in this way, it is creating a new data economy within the BNB chain ecosystem by having BNB Greenfield. So these are three really important tech stack in the BNB chain ecosystems. The final and how what is the potential applications that will be building on top of these important three tech layers. One is definitely DeFi, including lending, DHaxes, farming protocols, etc. On top of that, any kind of high frequency DeFi can also be choosing OBBNB as the layers. For example, perp DEX. We have already got a lot of perp DEX that is building on OBBNB recently. And also fully on-chain games can also be quite suitable kind of dApps that is building on OBBNB. And decentralized AI and AI-related applications. We already have a really comprehensive AI landscape on BNB chains, including BNB Smart Chain as well as opBNB. So that including AI infras as well as AI applications for end users like AI agent marketplaces, AI bot, etc. And also decentralized physical infrastructure networks are a kind of application that is under our wish list of whatever the hackathon or the grant. So if you are doing deeping projects, welcome to reach out to us to get our support there. And also decentralized social protocols. We wanted to have more DSO protocols to build on top of opBNBs or even to build their own layer 2 layers. So we really welcome those projects or team that is building any kind of the dApps that is we just mentioned here to contact us and to join our hackathon as well. So some numbers about BNB chains. One is the daily transaction processed on opBNB. So during the inscription hype, we have a incredible number that has been handled on opBNB in a single day, which is 71 million transactions in a single day on opBNB. That really proved that the layer 2 can really handle a lot of transactions and can really is really ready for a massive adoptions to building on top of. And as mentioned, the layer 2 gas fee is low to 0.001 US$ per transaction, and the TPS is 5K to 10K. And also BNB Smart Chain as the DeFi hub has been got over 5 billion TVL on BNB Smart Chains. And the TPS on BSC is also not low. It's over 5K, and the gas fee is also very low compared with other layer 1s as mentioned, which is 0.03. So if you are a dApp that is having not so high frequency transaction requirement, you can also choose BSC to be the layers to build on top of. So these are some really exciting numbers that I wanted to share and highlight with you guys. So besides that, how we can really support different kinds of dApps or projects or teams to building on top of BNB chains, we do have a bunch of approaches that we support teams and project theirs, including financial support, marketing support, technical support, and ecosystem support. In terms of the financial support, we have 3 different approaches I wanted to highlight here. One is MVP. I will intro more details later. One is builder grants, and one is different incentive program, including DAU and TVO incentive programs. Those 3 I will elaborate more later. But besides that, we also have other campaigns or resources that can support our developers, including Kickstarter program, which we combine with a lot of like third-party services providers. I will share more later. And we have developer mentorship. We have all-day tech support in Discord group as well as TG group, and we have core marketing support, including retweet, weekly live projects, on-chain Twitter space, online Twitter spaces, offline events, etc. We have a lot of like followers on social medias. Like we have, for example, 3 million followers on Twitter. So any kind of core marketing support from BNB Chain can means a lot for projects or developers, especially new startups, to help them to get more exposures in our communities and among BNB Chain users. And also we have dedicated support by a business development manager from our team. So we will do everything that maybe you can think of, like link you with other eco projects, get you more information about different programs that we have, or connect you with our tech team to specific tech support, etc. So let me elaborate more around our financial support here. The first one I wanted to highlight is MVP program that we have done we have already done a lot of rounds before. So every year we will have around 2 rounds of MVP programs together with Binance Labs. So for now, MVP have 2 tracks. One is founder track, then second one is startup track. So founder track is more for the entrepreneurs. So they can just apply the founder track with any innovative ideas, and we can help them to do the technical consulting, and we can even find the team for them. We can do the marketing support and mentorship, and even funding for them, etc. And also the startup track is more for a project that is already have a team and maybe a demo. And then by joining MVP program can accelerate their growth and their development in a BNB Chain ecosystem. So by having MVP program, we have already supported a lot of really good projects with really good on-chain metrics or performance or branding theirs. So by having those mentorship, funding, community, or even ecosystem support, we do see that we have given a really value to our eco projects or developers in BNB Chain. Besides that, we also have builder grants that is open to every developers to apply. So this builder grants is opening for any infras or any dApps that is under our wishlist. So you can check our builder grant wishlist in our GitHub if you wanted to apply our grant. That is builder grant. And also you can find our application form on bnbchain.org website directly. Once you apply that, we will have, if it is past the first interview, we will have one dedicated person from our team to talk to you and also to prepare some materials to go for IC meetings. That will take around 2 to 3 weeks for one project review. Besides the builder grant, we also have a different incentive programs for different projects based on different on-chain metrics of BNB Chain. One is DAU incentive program. We have done this program for a few rounds. We provide up to 200K US dollar per month to offer to project that is having good DAU metrics on BNB Chain, including BNB Smart Chain as well as OBBNB. So we will announce our next round of DAU incentive programs later soon to the public. So every qualified projects can apply that program again. And also we have TVO incentive programs, which offers up to 160K per month to incentivize the DeFi projects on BNB Chain, including BNB Smart Chain as well as opBNB, to incentivize their TVO growth there. Those potential or those recipients that's already been there has are KeloX, Kinsa Finance, Hooked, and etc. So if you are a project that you think you should have good on-chain metric in terms of DAU and TVO, please just put an eye on those two different incentive programs. That we will release these details or a campaign through our social medias, including Twitters and TG channels. And Kickstart program, just as I mentioned, there are different tools and services at a discounted prices that we offer together with third parties, including security auditors, infrastructure providers, cloud services, APIs, SDKs, DAO tools, and even marketing services, KOL connections, etc. So anything you can think of, and we can link you to them, and they can offer a discounted price and maybe even a free services to our eco projects. So besides that, we also wanted to highlight security. Security is one of the most important concept or important things that BNB Chain Foundation matters. So that is also why we have Avenger DAO here, which is a community that unites our ecosystem partners to shield users from malicious activities. So in last year, Avenger DAO achieved a 85% reduction in total financial losses on BNB chains. So we will keep doing that and keep using that DAO tools to protect BNB chain users and BNB chain assets. Besides that, we have DAPP, which is a DAPP library that allows users to navigate the BNB chain ecosystem with confidence. So on DAPP, there is a concept called red alarm. So for any kind of potential risk projects, we will tag a red alarm on that project, so that can also notify our users of any potential risks on BNB chain. So that is the basic informations about BNB chain and our technology, and also our existing ecosystems. We have already got a lot of projects, thousands of projects building on top of BNB chain, including GameFi, AI, DeFi, decentralized socials. But we work on more independent teams or innovative ideas to reach out to us and to talk with us and work with us to build their ideas into a real products on BNB chains. After that, I also wanted to guide you guys the different challenge tracks that we have under this round of BNB Chain Hackathon. So make sure that any potential developers or teams, they really understand what is the track that we have and what is the requirement we set for applicants, and also what is the potential benefits or prizes that they can get by attending this round of hackathon we have. So under Q2 hackathon, we have 4 main challenge tracks, which is The first one is DeFi. Under DeFi tracks, there are 4 wish lists. One is real-world asset tokenization on BNB Chain. We have seen the promising development of RWA related assets or applications. So we do wanted to have more relevant projects or teams to build real-world assets tokenizations on BNB chains. We have already got around 6 billion TVL there, which means BNB chain can really be an underlying infrastructures for a lot of assets to be deployed on top of, and there's already a lot of liquidity there to make your assets to be traded there. That is the first wish list under DeFi track. And the second one is points trading system on BNB chain. I think that is also the same things that mentioned by Sina teams before. So points trading is also quite important we have a lot of like really good team or projects on BNB chain, but they don't have their token issue yet. So points trading is kind of like a segment that is really under the demand in the BNB chain ecosystems. And the third one is the next generation of yield aggregation of BNB chains. We can see that there's a lot of different farming opportunities recently under the new narratives of different layer 2, layer 1s, and even abstractions or those kind of new narratives. So under that, we think there's going to be a next generation of yield aggregations that may happen. So we wanted to see potential teams or projects that can build those products or tools on BNB chain. The first one on the wish list of DeFi is innovative Telegram trading bot for the modern traders. Whatever it is, combining with AI tools, or it is integrating with MEV solutions to help traders to get their token, their transaction traded put on chain more faster than other traders, whatever it is. But we do see the demand from the BNB chain traders for trading bot recently. So these are 4 important wish lists under the first track, which is DeFi. And the second main challenge track is gaming, AI, as well as deeping. Those 3 types of dApps is quite suitable for OBBNB. So any kind of like on-chain game, or for example, middleware services for dynamic NFT image content generations. We welcome them to apply this round of hackathon, and also any kind of AI-related platforms, including AIGC, AI agent, decentralized computing platforms, etc. And also any projects that's doing related to deeping, to using physical devices to collecting data and put it on BNB chain, etc. So any project that is doing related to gaming, AI deeping, please put your eye on our hackathon and feel free to apply. The third main challenge track is CoinDeso, which is decentralized social protocols. So that including any project that's doing the DeSo dApps itself, or any projects that is doing the middlewares for DeSo apps, like the social graph, or building a video streaming middleware for DeSo apps. So for this kind of projects or middlewares, we will also support them with not only financial but also technical marketing, etc. The final track is Infrastruct. So infras including creating the one-stop dApps development SDK on BNB chains to get the developers a more easier onboarding experiences to build their dApps on BNB chain, or like a comprehensive layer 2 monitoring and insights for BNB Chain, because under the ROS initiative, we do expect to having more layer 2 or tailor-made layer 2 solutions to building on top of BNB Smart Chain. So we do want to have a dashboard or monitoring system to monitor these different layer 2 in a BNB Chain ecosystem. And the final one is any kind of data dashboard tools that can monitoring BNB Chain MEV activities. So that is the final track under the main Chinese track of infras. But besides that, we also have tracks from different sponsors. I think they have already mentioned those informations at the beginnings. But I can repeat that more again, so to make sure that everybody is understanding what is that. So for Hello World AI, what they wanted to have is to get more developers or projects to create the next AI star on Hello World AI. Hello World is kind of like a AI agent marketplace. They have offered a lot of SDKs to build your own AI agent or AI bot on their platform. So if you are a creators or a developers, you wanted to build your own AI products, you can also apply apply this hackathon under their track. The second one is from Baby Dutch. As I mentioned, they wanted to explore more scenarios to boosting the utility and engagement for their coins. And the third one is TUSD. They wanted to explore more scenarios or applications to really utilize their stablecoin TUSD. That can be GameFi, can be SocialFi, can be DeepIn, and even can be AI. So if you are a dApps that is doing those different segments of dApps, but you think you can also integrate with TUSD, you please can also pay attention to this challenge track they have offered. And the fourth one is from Sonoros. They are asking for projects to building that is disrupting Hollywood in the age of AI. So which means that by integrating AI to having a new types of entertainment platforms or maybe doing music, maybe doing videos, etc. So if you are doing similar things, you can also apply our hackathon under their track. For Polyhedra, they mentioned Bitcoin messaging protocol between BNB Chain and Bitcoins. And for Sina, it's for building a comprehensive point system for Sina Arena. That is also a wish list under our main challenge track as well. And the seventh is for Digo Finance. They are asking for AI integrations with BNB Chain and other protocols. So if you are doing AI-related tools, dApps, you can also apply their this hackathon under their track. And the final one is from DHax or Dora Factory. They are asking for projects or developer that is building a on-chain data intelligence tools for BNB Chain. Okay, so that is the different tracks, different challenge tracks that we have under main track as well as under different sponsors. But what will you get by applying our hackathon this round? There are 5 important benefits that you will get. So the total prize pool for this round of hackathon is 592K, which is a juicy amount of money that you can apply to get. And also we have a really interesting benefits or prizes offered to all qualified submissions this round. So we have a 10K prize pool that is going to be split among all the qualifying submissions. So if you are qualified, submit your applications through this round of hackathon, you can share a prize pool of 10K under this hackathon's prize pool. And the third one is direct interviews with the MVP program. That's kind of like a fast track for the MVP programs. That I think that can be the most beneficial things for projects that if they wanted to get investment from us. And the fourth one is Kickstart program packages that I just mentioned, and the final one is a 1 month incubation. So we will have a 1 month incubation for projects that's being applied these programs, and we will invite a lot of honored guests to share their experiences and their lessons about building BNB chain or blockchains. So that is the potential benefit that you guys can get. So what will be required for apply this round of hackathon? The first one is you need to at least deploy on BNB chain, including BNB Greenfield, opBNB, or BNB Smart Chain, and your project should be open sourced for a universal access. And you need to submit and share your GitHub deck and short videos. And also the contract should have at least 2+ transactions during the hackathons. And we are also for equal opportunities. This hackathon is only open for new developed projects instead of the projects that have already been developed on top of BNB chains. And also we ask every applicant to share a tweet about your projects with hashtag build on BNB chain on the Twitters. So shout out to your community and let them know that you are attending BNB chain hackathons. So if you are a project or developer that is really interesting in this round of hackathon, feel free to apply. You can scan the QR code here. So we're really looking forward to seeing you in this round of hackathons. And we're really looking forward to having some really interesting and innovative ideas happen under this round of hackathon. By the way, I wanted to apologize for TUSD team. So forgot to mention that TUSD is also one of the honor sponsors for this round of hackathon. So Astro from TUSD, please intro a bit about you and your projects, and also elaborate more on the visions behind this hackathon. Please, thank you.
Thank you, Sarah. So hello, everyone. I'm Astro, your TUSD community ambassador, and it's an honor to be here to kick off the Q2 Hackathon with you today. As a proud sponsor of the event representing TrueUSD, the first USD-pegged stablecoin with live on-chain attestations, we are here to explore how TUSD can drive progress across sectors like GameFi, SocialFi, DePIN, and AI throughout this hackathon. So TrueUSD is not just a stablecoin, it's a beacon of trust and reliability in Web3. With our unwavering commitment to transparency and security, TrueUSD ensures seamless global transactions. So today marks the beginning of an exciting journey filled with exploration, discovery, and relentless pursuit of excellence. So TrueUSD stands here to support your efforts to navigate the complexity of blockchain development. So together, let's pave the passage for a brighter future. And thank you, Sarah, for introduce me here at the end of the presentation. Thank you.
Thank you a lot, Astro, and thank you TUSD team for your support to BNB chains. Thank you all. I think that's all about today's sharing. As mentioned, we thank you all honor sponsors for this round of hackathon, and we're really looking forward to seeing more developers and teams to join us through this hackathon event. Thank you, guys.